Ice makers are getting more and more popular. And with that comes a whole lot of subpar products on the market that you're best off avoiding. With this in mind, I decided to separate the good from the bad and find out what the best countertop ice maker truly is. Links to each of the best ice makers are in the description box below. The EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker stands out with its impressive speed, producing your first batch of bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. You'll appreciate how quietly it operates at under 45 decibels, about the same noise level as a standard freezer. This makes it perfect for kitchens, home bars, or any space where excessive noise would be disturbing. Weighing just under 14 pounds with dimensions of approximately 11.5 inches by 11.4 inches by 8.7 inches, this ice maker offers genuine portability. The built-in handle makes it easy to move between locations, whether you're taking it to a backyard gathering or packing it for an RV trip. Its compact footprint won't dominate your counter space while still producing up to 26 pounds of ice daily. Smart features elevate the user experience significantly. The machine alerts you when the ice basket is full or when water needs refilling, eliminating guesswork. You'll find the one-touch cleaning function particularly convenient. Simply hold the power button for 5 seconds to initiate a 30-minute self-cleaning cycle that maintains hygiene without manual scrubbing. The transparent viewing window allows you to monitor ice production without opening the lid. This thoughtful design element combines with an intuitive control panel that simplifies operation to just adding water and pressing the power button. You'll find the included ice basket and scoop handy for serving, and the energy-efficient 170-watt compressor keeps electricity costs reasonable. EUHOMY backs this ice maker with a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support, providing peace of mind with your purchase. The smooth, bullet-shaped ice cubes are ideal for various beverages without sticking together or causing discomfort. Perfect for cooling drinks quickly, these ice pieces work wonderfully in cocktails, iced coffee, or even as a refreshing snack on hot days. Overall, while there are certainly better ice makers on the market, I'd say that this EUHOMY ice maker is definitely the best portable ice maker for those on a budget. Next up on my best home ice maker list, we have the GoveeLife Smart Ice Maker, which brings your kitchen into the future with its Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control capabilities. You can monitor ice production from anywhere using the app, or simply ask Alexa or Google Assistant to make ice for you. This hands-free operation proves especially useful when you're busy preparing meals or entertaining guests. Speed is where this machine truly shines. In just 6 minutes, you'll have 9 fresh bullet-shaped ice cubes ready to chill your beverage. The 2-liter water tank supports production of up to 26 pounds of ice daily, meaning you'll rarely run short even during large gatherings. Choose between 3 ice sizes depending on your preference, smaller cubes for quick cooling or larger ones that melt more slowly. Maintenance couldn't be simpler with the one-touch self-cleaning function. A quick 10-minute cycle keeps your ice maker hygienic without scrubbing or disassembling parts. You can even customize the cleaning schedule through the app, ensuring your ice always tastes fresh and clean. The RGB light-up ice basket adds a fun visual element while serving a practical purpose. Different colors indicate ice status and water levels, while app notifications alert you when the basket is full or when water needs refilling. For light sleepers, the beeping alerts can be disabled through the app settings. Planning ahead becomes effortless with the scheduling feature. Set daily or weekly ice-making routines through the app to ensure fresh ice awaits you after work or before weekend gatherings. Remember to transfer ice to your freezer for longer storage, as this machine makes ice but doesn't keep it frozen indefinitely. With its sleek black design and practical magnetic ice scoop, the GoveeLife combines style and functionality for anyone seeking a reliable ice-making solution. Checking in at number 3 on my best countertop ice maker list is the GEVI Household Gemmy Nugget Ice Maker, which delivers restaurant-quality pellet ice right at home with convenient features. This countertop ice maker specializes in producing the coveted Nugget ice, also called pellet or chewblet ice, that many people drive to restaurants or chain stores to enjoy. The soft, chewable texture absorbs drink flavors while cooling beverages effectively. You'll appreciate how the machine can produce up to 30 pounds of ice daily with a generous 4.8-pound storage basket. Setting up the GEVI is super straightforward with its open and pour water reservoir that holds 2.8 liters. The sleek white design with stainless steel housing looks modern in most kitchens, and it can fit under wall cabinets too, making it extra versatile for placement. Noise level is another consideration when choosing an ice maker. GEVI has implemented a high-performance compressor and muted exhaust fan to keep operation much quieter than most comparable ice makers. Unlike with cheaper ice makers, the smart features programmed into this GEVI model include an infrared sensor that detects when the basket is full and automatically pauses production, preventing overflow issues and saving energy. The self-cleaning function deserves special mention as it regularly descales the machine. This feature helps maintain fresh-tasting ice and extends the appliance's lifespan by preventing mineral buildup. You'll find this particularly valuable if you have hard water, as it reduces the maintenance burden significantly. Moving on, if you're looking for the best ice maker for your countertop, then the GE Profile Opal 2.0 delivers the craveable, chewable nugget ice you love in a sleek countertop design that's worth the investment despite some maintenance considerations. This stylish stainless steel nugget ice maker brings the popular good ice experience right to your kitchen counter. Unlike traditional hard cubes, the Opal creates soft, chewable nugget ice that absorbs beverage flavors and is gentler on teeth. You'll enjoy your first batch within 10 minutes, and the machine can produce up to 1.6 pounds of ice hourly. One standout feature is the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity that pairs with the Smart HQ app. This allows you to monitor your ice maker status and even schedule fresh ice production from your phone. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google adds another layer of convenience when your hands are full preparing drinks for guests. The detachable water tank eliminates the need for a direct water line connection, making this truly a countertop appliance and one of the best portable ice makers on the market. With the side tank, you can produce up to 3 times more ice before needing a refill. The removable bin holds up to 3 pounds of nugget ice at once, ensuring you'll have plenty for entertaining. Maintenance does require some attention, as the machine needs regular cleaning to perform optimally. The advanced cleaning system helps sanitize and descale when used routinely. For best results, you might want to consider the optional water filter and cleaning kit, which are sold separately. Although it's quite expensive, the incredible ice quality and super useful convenience factors make this a worthwhile addition to your kitchen if you're serious about enjoying premium nugget ice at home. So, what is the best countertop ice maker on the market? If you just want to buy the best ice maker for your kitchen, then I highly recommend getting the GEVI Adella Nugget Ice Maker, which creates that coveted, soft, chewable nugget ice that restaurants and ice enthusiasts love. Unlike traditional hard cubes, these pellet-style ice nuggets retain drink flavors while providing that satisfying, chewable texture. You'll get your first batch in just 20 minutes, which beats most refrigerator ice makers by a significant margin. What sets this model apart is its thoughtful design features. The removable ice basket includes a comfortable handle for easy serving at parties or family gatherings. The side water tank holds a full gallon, enabling continuous ice production of up to 38 pounds daily without constant refills. This makes it perfect for entertaining or households that go through ice quickly. Operation couldn't be simpler with the touch display controls. The LED indicators keep you informed of the machine's status, making it easy to monitor ice production at a glance. The self-cleaning function helps maintain hygiene and ensures your ice stays fresh and clean. These user-friendly features make the GEVI Adella a pleasure to use daily. The sleek design measures 15.8 inches deep by 10.8 inches wide by 16.6 inches high, which does require dedicated counter space, but adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Its stylish appearance complements various decor styles while providing market-leading functional value. You might find it becomes a conversation piece when guests notice the quality of ice it produces. Compared to other ice makers, reliability seems really solid with the GEVI Adella, and it also comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. You'll also appreciate that the machine operates quietly compared to many competitors, allowing you to make ice without disrupting conversations or activities in your kitchen. While it represents a higher investment than basic ice makers, the GEVI Adella delivers on its promises with consistent, high-quality Nugget ice production that can transform your beverage experience at home. So, now that you know the best home ice maker, hopefully you can decide which one is right for you. If you have any more questions at all, drop them in the comments and I'll get right back to you. In the meantime, links to each of the best countertop ice makers are in the description box below.